Well, hi, this is Rich. I thought I'd try a different location. This Rich WB5YB said, MRP40 CW, what if you could, decoder and sending, what if you could just speak the words and your MRP40 CW decoder sender would actually put it in there and you could send the words through your mouth, through a microphone, onto the MRP40. Well, I've discovered this. This is really barbaric, and some of you old CW fans will say, get a job or something, I don't know. But I thought this was amazing. It's something to play with, and maybe some of y'all can perfect it, I don't know. So with that, let's go on over there. If you give me a thumbs up, even if you're laughing at this little video, if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, that helps me out a whole bunch. So let's go on over to the computer. Catch you later. All right, what I have is I put my friend W5JET Jim in here. Let's say that he called me. Now this is just for the video's sake. I put a little text here, or macro, and the call in brackets will pull this guy up, whatever I have in this call sign, in this call. We'll bring that up, and this is WB5YB said. I named it HM for him and me. So I'm give his call sign and my call sign, but you don't have much room in here to put it for your button name. So I just had him, me. Save. Now I have it here at him, me. Something you may not know, and I just discovered this, is if you hit your Windows button on your keyboard and your letter H as in hotel, you have this little microphone here. And what I'm hoping to demonstrate, that's why I say hoping, is that I can show that we can actually put words on here and send CW. So first of all, I'm going to say he just called me. So I'm going to call him back, and then I'm going to say a few lines. Of course, this isn't efficient, like I say, but it's maybe something in the future that people are having problems with their hands, not moving well on their key or their keyboard. Maybe with a click, they could start talking and put the CW in. Okay, let's just show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to reply to his call. You are 599 into Oklahoma City. Now I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard. And I think I have to wait on this before I can do it, talk some more. Name here is Rich. So how copy back to you? Then I'm going to just and I'll hit K, and then I'll be listening for his reply. But something you can do, that's Windows key and H as in hotel, and you have to click it to start it and click it to stop it. But I always click up here just to make sure that I'm in the proper area. Well, golly gee, I thought that was so interesting. Putting your voice to work on CW, changing it to converting it to CW. I know a lot of you guys probably think I'm crazy, which I admit I am, but just another way maybe somebody that's a little handicapped could actually use it for sending CW. With that, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, it really helps me out. With that, 73, catch you on the next video.